Zaikology.
Since LESSERAFIM had their easy comeback early this year, consecutive controversies have begun rising. From their easy music video concept, to their viral encore stages, to Yunjin drinking coffee, to eunchae's grammar mistake, and now to Kazuha's dating rumors with and Team K. This Japanese article posted the same malicious rumor last year about chaewon dating a former rapper, and released a photo which was edited by a fan. Hybe immediately denied the rumor, and yet they still published this to gain attention and to defame LESSERAFIM, obviously. All of these controversies made the fans think that this is because of their upcoming Coachella, which will be held on April 13th and 20th this year, less than 2 weeks from now. Fans believe that the issues were made to distract the people supporting LESSERAFIM and to cause hate towards the girls. Non-fans even said that Hybe paid Coachella for LESSERAFIM. And now they're making another allegation towards LESSERAFIM being mean girls just because they give the vibe or they just look like it. I don't get where this hate is coming from. But fearnots will always show support to LESSERAFIM. We have different preferences, but we can still be respectful and kind.
오늘 같은 스케줄 얘기하자면 코첼라 안무 연습하고 코첼라 라이브 연습하고 코첼라 런스를 하고 코첼라 보컬 연습을 했습니다.
Looking forward to LESSERAFIM's performance in Coachella.